Hi, welcome to Core Finance. My name is Alessio Rostani. I'm joined here by our guest, who is Richard Perry, Market Analyst for Hantec Markets. Hi, Richard. How are you doing?
Yeah, good, thank you.
So long time no see, by the way. So what we're going to talk about today are three, actually one important market. First of all, we're going to talk about your chosen market, which is?
Well, I've got three that I'm going to talk about, but first of all, I'm going to look at the DAX.
The DAX, right.
And this, I think, is a very important market because obviously what we've seen is Wall Street going to all-time highs on the Dow. 5 days in a row this week. The
DAX has been kind of lagging behind, right?
The DAX has been really hamstrung by this strong euro. It certainly seems to be. And again, we're seeing the DAX down again today. What we're seeing is DAX posting lower highs, lower lows. Classic sort of trend reversal signs. Now it's back to this big key uptrend that, that the DAX has been in for around about a year now, and I think it's now being really tested. I think today it puts this move under pressure, and I think that what we've got is momentum indicators, which are a key factor here. The RSI continues to sort of fall away, the MACD lines as well. I think selling into strength is being seen as the way to go by the market.
That's really interesting because I also have been looking at the DAX myself. In fact, I suggested this particular setup that you're talking about, but in the opposite direction. I actually was looking for, so if we just look at that chart, guys. So what I was looking for was a break through that red line that you've drawn at the top there. Kind of a break through 12,400 or 12,500 to get long on the DAX. Because I thought, you know what, DAX coming down to that trend line, maybe we'll hold it. And then if we see some momentum to the upside, what do you think? I mean, if the DAX does break through that trend line, would you be getting long on that?
Yes, certainly. I think that red downtrend is key to it. I think you've also got the 50-day moving average, sorry, 55 on this chart, which had been supportive throughout 2017, is now turned into resistance on the way down. So these are key factors that you need to look out for if you're going to get long. But I think what you'd need to see that is, I think, a euro correction. And I think at the moment, the euro is continuing to push higher. It's possibility of a little bit of a near-term profit taking on the euro, but certainly seems to be a long play at the moment. And I think that's going to continue to impact on the DAX. And if these markets continue to sort of find a bit of selling pressure throughout the rest of the summer, next month or so until Jackson Hole, then maybe you could see the DAX continuing to correct.
Which, by the way, we're going to talk about the euro in a separate video. So go ahead, guys, and watch that video we got on the euro with Richard. But thank you very much, Richard, for this segment.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.